All right, I'm going to show you how to enable Microsoft Speech. Now, Microsoft has built-in tools to read text aloud. It's especially useful for students with learning disabilities and challenges in reading. To activate Microsoft Speech, you must first get the Speak button in the upper toolbar in the application you're using. That could be Microsoft Word, it could be OneNote, or Publisher. Now, what you'll do to enable Microsoft Speech is you have to get the Microsoft Speak button. So we'll click on this little Customize Quick Access toolbar here and we'll select More Commands. We'll change the popular commands to All Commands. And we're going to scroll all the way down till we see Speak. I see Speak here and I will add it and I'll press OK. And now I have this little button here. And to enable it, you will highlight the text and press the Speak button right here.
Microsoft Speak. Microsoft has built-in tools to read text aloud. This is especially useful for students with learning disabilities and challenges in reading. To activate Microsoft Speak, you must first get the Speak button in the upper toolbar in application you are using.
I'm going to press Stop. And then finally, step 7 here, you will not need to reset the icon in the future. You will just simply open a document and that Speak button will be there waiting for you. You will just select the text you want read aloud and you will click the Speak button.